In today's video, I'll show you how to lock your Facebook profile officially using mobile phone. All you have to do is open up Facebook app and tap on this three line on the top and scroll down and tap on settings and privacy and tap on settings. Scroll down under audience and visibility, tap on profile locking. Read the information and tap on lock your profile. Lock your profile, just tap on OK option. And that's it. Your Facebook profile is now locked. After locking, only your friends can see your photos and post. If you doesn't see the lock profile options, it means this feature is not available in your country. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more simple tech tips.